Well, hello everybody. Doug Rucker with PressureWashingSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com. By the way, our store, we are located right here in the Humble, Houston, Texas area, right by Kingwood, as a matter of fact. If you're coming to us, you'd exit North Park, go up one light, hang a left, and we're down on the left behind Decca Brewery and the thrift store. So if you're ever in the area and we can help you out, please feel free to stop by. Otherwise, you can email us at info@DougRuckerStore.com or call or text 281-612-1223. Hey, one of the things, couple of things we've been selling quite a bit of here in the last few months is the King Slinger, particularly the King Slinger Skid. We sold one to actually a company here locally, and we also had one that's headed to New Jersey and probably there by now. But anyway, the King Slinger Skid, so just kind of wanted to do an updated video on that. The other thing we've been selling a lot of is the Selfie, our 12-volt system, which can be portable, or you can permanently mount it to your truck or trailer, however you want to do that. But this video is going to concentrate on the King Slinger Skid, so I got that coming up next. All right, real quick, guys, don't forget, coming up, July 12th is our next pressure washing training, hands-on and classroom training right here at the training center where I'm actually doing this video. We do that once a month, every single month, so you can pick out your month and come on out here. And it's a great thing for guys that are just starting a business because we go over the equipment that we use on a regular basis. We teach you about downstreaming, teach you about soft washing, show you the guns, the wands we use, let you use them, let you clean some concrete. Just kind of go over all that basic new fundamental stuff that you need to know so that you have the confidence and ability when you leave here to go back to your own home or friends' homes and start practicing and getting your craft down so that you can get your business going. So if you have any questions on that, please feel free to email me at pressurecleaningschool@gmail.com. But all of the information can be located at pressurewashingschool.com. We've got the schedule there. We've got information about our online video school in case you can't make it out here. And then check out that frequently asked question page because that will answer a lot of questions that you're probably going to email me about. So kind of look at that first. Just kind of look through the website, tons of answers there for you. But if you still have any, of course, email me, pressurecleaningschool@gmail.com, whether it's about our event schedule, training schedule, or the online video school, as well as our point training where we come to you and do training if you prefer to do that. We can get you a price to do that depending on where you're located, what all you want, and that type of thing, okay? So pressurewashingschool.com is where you can get all that information, or email pressurecleaningschool@gmail.com. All right, guys, so yeah, this is the King Slinger skid system that we sell. This one is being picked up today locally from a local guy. And then we've got another one we're fixing to turn around and build that will be shipping to New Jersey. When we ship these in a wood crate to protect them. And so, you know, at checkout, you will pay a $450 freight charge. And then what I do is I get you a quote to your door or to the nearest terminal and let you decide how you want or where you want to have it shipped. You can always save money by going to the terminal and pick it up yourself. But once I've got that quote for you, I'll email you and give you the options and what the extra would be that you would have to pay. So don't think that just at checkout when you pay the $450 that the freight is all done. That's just a kind of an upfront fee that we charge. And then just want to make sure you know that it's going to run more than that because we have to build a wood crate for it and all that kind of stuff, which is adds a little bit of weight to it. But anyway, we've shipped a lot of these all over the place. Not only just for soft washing, but we have quite a few pest control guys that use these as well. So, but you've got your air compressor right here, and then you've got the King Slinger pump station right there with the 3 1/2-inch valves. We can also build this as a big slinger with the 2 3/4-inch valves if you wanted to do that. And then you'd of course have 5/8-inch spray hose for it. It just gives you a little bit more volume and a little bit more distance. I personally like the King Slinger. I don't like all, you know, the volume that you see a lot of these systems put out. I like a controlled spray where I can pinpoint where I want it to go and not overflood or oversaturate the surface. You got 2 King's reels. One is the water hose fill up, and then it's going to a 50-gallon water tank, and you've got a float valve inside there to turn the water off when the 50-gallon tank gets full. And then on the bottom you've got the 1/2-inch spray hose along with your Suttner gun and J-rod. And then 2 50-gallon tanks, one for bleach, one for water, bleach, and all plumbed up to the pump station. So you either pick them up like this, it's ready to use, ready to go, or they're shipped like this, ready to use, ready to go. And we also can build these skid systems like this. If you don't want a soft wash system, we can put a 5-gallon per minute pressure washer on it, 4-gallon per minute pressure washer on it. We can do 8. Just want to go with a little bit larger tank. We've used 80-gallon tanks. Just a little bit more configuration wise. We normally will go with like an 80-gallon vertical tank and a 20-gallon vertical tank for bleach, because all you're doing is downstreaming. But we can also build it with a like a 5-gallon minute pressure washer and a 12-volt system for soft washing. You would just have 3 reels up here instead of 2, because you'd have one for the pressure washer as well as for the soft wash system, and then of course your water fill. So a lot of variations we can do these. These are great little skids that you can throw in the back of a truck or put them on a trailer, bolt them down, however you want to do it. But like I said, sold quite a few of them. Got a little spot back there you can put wands and stuff, gallon jugs, whatever you want to do. So love these little 50-gallon vertical tanks. They fit perfect on the skid. And so yeah, just wanted to give you an update. I've done a video on these before. We've used taller tanks, which were 55, and now we're using these 50-gallon tanks. Pretty much the same thing. So yeah, if you have any questions about it, just let me know in the comments below, or you can email me at info@DougRuckerStore.com, or you can call or text 281-612-1223. All right, guys, so I hope it's been helpful for you. I hope you enjoyed seeing the King Slinger skid. If you have any questions about it, best thing to do is email info@DougRuckerStore.com, or you can call us at 281-612-1223. Great little system to put into the back of a truck, or permanently mount on a trailer, or permanently mount it to your truck, however you want to do that. We can also take these systems, like I mentioned, put a pressure washer on it, whatever you need. There's a lot of modifications that we can do. It will affect the price, of course, but just want to let you know that, you know, that's out there too if you want to do that. So hit that subscribe button. That way you can, well, you got to hit the subscribe and the notification button, and that will give you notifications of when I have videos coming out that can help you out, whether you're just starting a business or not. This channel is for guys that are in the business. We're not here for homeowners to sell DIY stuff and all that kind of stuff. We're here to help contractors that are trying to start a business, to support their families, their communities, all of that goes into that. So we spend a lot of time on the phone with guys that are in the business, helping them, emails, text messages, that type of thing. So keep that in mind, and yeah, just reach out if we can help you. Subscribe, notification, bell, and then leave me a comment down below if you have a question about anything on the Kingslinger skid. I'll be glad to answer that. Y'all have a very, very blessed day, okay? Appreciate every one of you.